It's your brother Money Profit back with another video. A video I don't even want to do. I actually hit a deer. I'm gonna put a clip, I'm gonna insert a clip here shortly. I hit a deer. This is just the aftermath. It was worse than this. My headlight was busted, so I just got this headlight, put this on a week ago, and messed up my fender here. It was worse than what it looks like. It looks much better than what it did, but I had to pop the little dent out here, but it's not as bad as it looks. Once again, the bumper, messed up the clips. Right now, I'm in the midst of painting my bumper. I got this black paint from Walmart, and then some clear coat as well. I actually always wanted to do this, so it's actually a good thing and a bad thing, because I could go through my insurance, but I'm not going to do that. But I have never taken this fender apart, but we're gonna do it's gonna be all one video right here. I'm just talking. I don't like talking that much, but I'm gonna do the fender. I already got a bumper video. I'm not gonna show you all that, but that is the bumper over there. So I got that painted gloss black or whatever. And then I'm gonna do my grill black as well. So I'm not gonna do a recording of this, but I'm just gonna take my grill out and I'm gonna do it black. I don't know why they make this grill gray and they didn't make it any of the colors, but I'm going to do this black as well while I'm at it. And then eventually I'm going to have to probably replace my hood. I believe I can probably get someone to do it, but I feel like it's worse than what it looks like. It's not fully closed. Got the hood popped, but it did bend my frame very slightly, just right here. It didn't like mess anything up mechanically wise. It still drives good. Everything still runs exact same. Just bent this a little bit. I bent it kind of too far. I bent this when I was adjusting. It needs to go up more. Like I need to push it up more, because as you see here, it's not really lining up. It's lined up, but it needs to get pushed up more. But other than that, I just wanted to make a quick video. If you are looking for a process, this is why I do my YouTube channel. Now, these headlights are not cheap. Now, if you get them at this is a used headlight. This cost me $300 for a used headlight that had like a scratch or something on it, or a broken bracket or whatever. I actually broke this myself trying to put this on there because it's not angled right, but it is on there. It does work. But a used headlight is like $600, $700. So if you are in the market for this car, be prepared for parts. Really, obviously, ain't gonna really fail on this car. It is a Toyota. But when it does, like the headlights, this is a full assembly. It's LEDs in the inside. There is no bulb, so it's on the HID kit, and it's all little. I wish I can show y'all, but y'all know if y'all got this car. But I won't do too much talking. I just want to show y'all the damage. It did mess up this. I do have this as well. So the Toyota emblem, I got that as well. But once again, I'm just going to paint this black and then show y'all my fender as well, and show y'all the finish after I put my fender on there. And the fender should be fairly simple. I already took apart the fender myself a little bit. And just, you gotta kind of move this out the way, the little side skirt. But I haven't seen it. I'm not gonna look up any schematics. Pretty simple, should be a bolt or two. I got that right here. I'm waiting on my, I'll show y'all my face. I'm waiting on my my paint to get here. Now you can get this, I got the paint off eBay. I mean, not eBay. I got this paint off the 3T3 paint. I got it off Amazon. It's like 25 bucks. It's another site you can go to, but it's like $38. It's like $13 for the shipping and shipping and taxes and things like that. So it makes it out to be $40 for a spray can. So I got it on Amazon for 25. So I do have that in here. Now you can go through insurance, but I don't recommend for this. I seen somebody on Facebook Marketplace. They had like the same damage, even I guess I would say less. It was like $9 grand for all this to get fixed. All this, so nothing really messed up on my end. It dented my radiator very slightly. I'm not gonna show that, but not dent, but my little horn got caught into it. I'll cut this part out, but other than that, I got my fender. I wish I can go and put the fender on, but just sanding the fender down. I'm gonna sand the fender down and my paint, and then I'm gonna do clear coat, and that's it. This is fairly simple. A shop will charge you $9K or like $3,000 to $4,000 for this. I just need a bumper. I had my extra grill. As y'all know, I did custom work. I mod my vehicle, so I had the grill from eBay, the higher trim level grill. So I had this on the side, which came in handy because that would have been extra money out of my pocket, but I did have this. I'm just gonna paint this black once again, but other than that, we'll get straight into the video and the tear down process.
for me.